This is News 14 Carolina Meteorologist Matthew East, the June 25th Thursday edition of the Carolina Weather Video. We're starting things off with a look at the radar very early this morning during the 5 o'clock hour across the lower 48, and really pretty quiet for much of the mid-Atlantic. A few showers and storms off the coast of the Carolinas dropping southeastward. Also some showers and storms in parts of northwestern Missouri and southwestern Iowa. That activity close to a cold front that's dropping our way, but heat still a big story across the lower 48 today. That's a look at the upper air chart off the NAM. And still that big upper air ridge, but it's shifting westward just a bit. So the highest amplitude portion of the ridge in Colorado, Nebraska this afternoon, whereas it was a little farther eastward yesterday. And boy, yeah, some more nasty heat yesterday. 104 the high at Audubon Park in New Orleans, 101 in Mobile, and just a lot of really oppressive levels of heat and humidity in the plains down to the Gulf Coast. And now high temperatures today, a lot of triple digits from Texas up through Oklahoma and into parts of Kansas, but notice a little bit of relief in parts of Alabama, Mississippi, and southeastern Louisiana. Still pretty hot, but at least we're talking mid-90s and not triple digits, and some of those spots that have been just blasted with heat this week. Now, in terms of precipitation, this is what the NAM prints out for this afternoon. Some areas of showers and thunderstorms here in parts of Ohio, Indiana, and eastern Kentucky, and then down into southern Alabama, Mississippi, down to around New Orleans. And some of those storms could be severe, especially up around the Great Lakes region, and large slight risk area covering that part of the country. Also a slight risk for parts of the high plains and parts of South Dakota and into Nebraska. It looks like a dry day here around much of the Carolinas. Could be a few storms in the mountains and closer to the coast, but most of the Piedmont should remain dry today with highs in the lower 90s in many instances. Now, for tomorrow, and by the way, today one more low humidity type of day, still way below average levels of humidity coming up as we go throughout the course of today. Now, for tomorrow, a little different story. A weakening cold front drops in, so it looks like we'll have the chance for scattered showers and storms, especially tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. It'll be a muggier day tomorrow as well, and the Day 2 convective outlook, we have that C-text area here across the region. And basically what we're looking at is a chance for a couple strong to severe storms tomorrow. It doesn't look like a huge severe weather outbreak. Some of the parameters necessary for widespread severe weather not in place tomorrow, but could be a couple strong to severe storms, and we'll watch it closely. All right, out to the weekend. Saturday should be a primarily dry day. It'll be a little warmer and a little muggier as well. Low to maybe some mid-90s coming up Saturday and Sunday. Higher levels of humidity. That's a look at Sunday. Now, again, Saturday, mainly dry, but as we get into the day Sunday, another cold front drops in, so it looks like we'll see the chance for some more scattered thunderstorms Sunday afternoon into Sunday night. And then behind that front, by Monday, a little bit of a drier, slightly cooler air mass arrives, so it looks like we could see some upper 80s for highs for a few days next work week. That's Monday. That is Tuesday. And that is Wednesday. So we could see some upper 80s to around 90 for highs and lows down into the 60s. A lower humidity type of air mass moves in once again for the first part of next work week. And the tropics are quiet. I do notice the NAM continues to try to spin up something here out of the Caribbean, but that's not really being indicated on a lot of the other modeling. And it certainly looks like for at least the next couple of days, the tropics will remain quiet. All right, that's it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Have a great Thursday, and God bless.